Hello. So, hi, dear Aries. Very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a journal of reading for the people who are in no contact with each other from 13th till the 19th of January. Roles can be reversed also. Action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story. Leave it. Now, want to be a reader like me? You can start your journey. Purchase my course. Link is in description for personal readings or personal one-on-one healing sessions. Definitely, you can check out the description box. Links are given. And self-love book or self-healing modality Ho'oponopono masterclass. Description box have everything you need. Okay. Now let's start. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are Eight of Swords, the Emperor, and the Seven of Wands. Wow. See, what is happening with this person is this is your card. They can't stop thinking about you, but they can't stop thinking negative about the whole situation between you and them. Now, even if this person is not showing any kind of emotions, they are continuously in this overthinking mode. 24 into 7, you are on their mind. But whenever they think about this connection as a whole, as a story, as a, collective energy, they feel they should not do anything about it, because even if they are going to say anything or do anything in this direction, it's bound to fail. So in their mind, in the matter of their heart, they are listening to their mind first thing. Second thing, in their mind, this is never going to work out, so what's the use of even going in this direction? But they can't stop thinking about the situation. It's always on their mind, 24 into 7. Right, just give me a second. Nice. Nice tea. Let's see what this person wants from you, their intentions. We have the Knight of Swords, the King of Cups, and the High Priestess. It's like this is a very contradictory intention that they have regarding the situation, where they want to rush towards you, they want to come towards you to charge on you, to get some kind of answers from you, but they don't want to reveal any kind of emotions to you whatsoever. They're like, okay, I want to connect with the Aries, I want to charge on them for something, I want to get some kind of answers, or I want to give the like taste of their own medicine to them, but I don't want to reveal it to them at all, at any cost, that I still have emotions or feelings for them. This is what their intention is. Contradictory, right? They have feelings, but they don't want to reveal it to you. In fact, they want to reveal the exact opposite of the feelings that they have for the situation. Let's see what action, if any, is this person going to take towards you by the 19th of January. Nine of Pentacles, the Moon, and the Two of Cups. Yeah. They're continuously going to live in this fear of you are going to be with somebody else, you are desirable, you are single, you are independent, you got your shit together. So you're definitely with somebody, even if you're not. And that is why this person is not going to take any kind of action. Even if they're going to feel the urge and the desire to do that in a very deeper way, they are going to be continuously living in this fear that you already have somebody by your side, or why you are going to be with them in this lifetime again, because of the disaster whatever happened. So because of the fear, because of this energy of unknown fear, you can say, or this energy of their own stories creating their own head, in their own head, they won't take any kind of action whatsoever in this direction as of now. The guidance for you is the Ace of Swords. You should have the clarity and the understanding about the situation. Each and everything you have to see for what it is. Let me repeat it. You have to see the situation and the connection for what it is, instead of living in any kind of illusion or delusion, and cut the crap and move forward. Cutting the crap means living in the reality of the situation, accepting the situation for what it is, instead of living in any kind of illusion or delusion and hurting or harming yourself only. Okay, mental clarity and the truth is highly recommended. So yeah, I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.